हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इसमें दो सेल दिया है। एक सेल की ईएमएफ 2E है, दूसरे सेल की ईएमएफ E है। इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस दिया गया है, इसकी इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस R1 है, इसकी इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस R2 है। ओके, एंड नाउ दे आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज टू इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस कैपिटल R। द वैल्यू ऑफ R, उस वैल्यू ऑफ R के लिए निकालना है सच दैट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द फर्स्ट सेल विल बिकम 0. So potential difference across first cell. Now you can see here first cell और second cell का जो positive terminal है rightward direction में है, तो current you can easily see it will come in this direction. Now since current जो है cell के positive terminal से निकल रहा है, so potential difference across this cell will be EMF minus IR. So I can see here potential difference across first cell is equal to 0. Okay, and since the current is leaving from the positive terminal, so EMF minus IR is equal to 0. So EMF of first cell is 2E minus I. Resistance of first cell is R1, so this will become 0. So from here I can say 2E upon R1 is equal to I. Now I know the value of I. उसके बाद मुझे कैपिटल R निकालना है, तो let us use the Kirchhoff's law in this loop. So using Kirchhoff's law. Okay, so if I use the Kirchhoff's law here, okay, so let us take some point. I am taking this point, I will move along this. So first in the direction of current it will be minus IR. Now across this, or you can say like all the resistances can be taken together. So R plus R1 plus R2. Okay, now for this cell I am going from negative terminal to positive terminal, so potential is increasing, so plus E. For this also I am going from negative to positive terminal, so potential is increasing, so plus 2E, and that will become 0. So now I can say I need to find the value of capital R. Okay, so from here I can say 3E is equal to I R plus R1 plus R2. Now I know the value of I. So 3E upon value of I know 2E upon R1. Okay, now this can also be taken this side, so this will become R1 minus R2 is equal to capital R. Now if you will see, this will get cancelled out. Now this will become 3 by 2 R1 minus R1. So this will become R1 upon 2 minus R2. So this will become R. So this is the answer. Now you can see which option is coming. R1 by R2 minus R2. So option B is the correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.